This is the third video regarding bearing, and in this we will discuss if you have a shape other than a simple line. If you have a shape, suppose you have this triangle and it is labeled A, B and C. The examiner may ask you bearing of B from A or bearing of A from B. So if he is asking you about bearing of B from A, this is your answer. And if he asks you about bearing of A from B, you first draw this north sign on B, and this complete is your answer. So it will depend on the shape. You'll find the missing angles and then find the bearing clockwise. Let's move on to some practice questions. So look at this first question. It says that the figure shows positions of P, Q and R. This is P, this is Q, this is R. It is a triangle and state the bearing of Q from P. Bearing of Q from P. So first if we sit at P, this is the required angle. So your answer is 036 degrees. Second part says bearing of P from Q. So bring this north here. And to leave your answer, this is the final angle which you will need. Bring this 36 here. When it is here, you know that this is 180 plus 36. Straight line plus 36. And your answer is 216 degrees. For the third part, when it tells you that bearing of R from P, now this is R, this is P, it is from P. So your required angle is this complete part, that is 36 plus 37, which is 73. So you write 073 degrees. D part says bearing of P from R. When it is from R, you draw this grid right here, and this complete is your answer, and it was 73. So you bring 73 here as alternate angle, and now it is 180 plus 73, that is 253 degrees. Then Q from R. Bearing of Q from R, let us change this color, and bearing of Q from R. So you start from here and all the way you turn until you reach this line. So this complete angle was already 253. So 253 plus 43. 253 plus 43, and it is 296 degrees. Last part says bearing of R from Q. Bearing of R from Q is this angle. This angle. So this was 36 and this was 100. If you take away this 36, you know that this section would be 64. To get this required angle, you can now subtract 64 from 180 and get your bearing as 116 degrees. Let's have a look at this question. Bearing of Q from P. So this is this complete angle, which is 90 plus 7, making it 097 degrees. Second part, P from Q. So you draw this line here. Bearing of P from Q is this complete section. So bring this 7 right here as alternate angles. So this is 270 plus 7, making it 277 degrees. R from P. R from P is this complete section, which is 90 because of this, plus 7 plus 24, and you get an answer of 90 plus 7 plus 24 is 121 degrees. P from R. Bearing of P from R, so you need to draw this right here, and bearing of P from R would be this complete section, and we can see that these two are alternate angles, which is 24 plus 7, that is 31. So this is 270 plus 31. 270 plus 31. That is 301 degrees. Bearing of Q from R. Bearing of Q from R. So it is already 301. And for bearing of Q, you need to move all the way clockwise till you reach the line of Q. So this is 301 plus 37 is 338 degrees. Last is R from Q. So for R from Q, you start from the north of Q till you reach this line of R. So now I need to know this angle to take it away from 180, or I can find this angle first. So this complete section is 90. If you take away this 37 and 31, so 90 minus 31 minus 37, this is 22. So you bring this 22 right here as alternate angle. Now take away this 22 from 180. So 180 minus 22, you're left with 158 degrees. Let's have some more questions as practice. In the figure, find the length of PQ and QR. Okay, now this is bearing plus trigonometry. Length of PQ. If you need to find the length of PQ, we can use this triangle. I have 68 and 75. So you take out 56 from 90. 90 minus 56 is 34. So this is 34. Now you can use a sine rule. You take away these two angles to find angle R first. So 180 minus 68 minus 34 and 37. That is 41 degrees. So using sine rule, I can write PQ over sine 41 is equals to 75 over sine 68. So just cross multiply. PQ is 75 over sine 68 times sine 41. Let me calculate this one. 75 by sine 68 times sine 41, and that is 53.1 meters. And then QR, again you can use sine rule. For QR, we can say this is QR divided by this angle. This complete angle now is 37 plus 34, which is 71. So sine 71 is equals to a known pair, which is 75 over sine 68. So you cross multiply again, which is 75 over sine 68 times sine 71. So 75 divided by sine 68 times sine 71 is 76.5, rounded to one decimal place. Hope you get it. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.